Maximizing your property's curb appeal can significantly enhance its overall value and aesthetics. Here are 10 easy steps to help you achieve a more appealing exterior. Landscape maintenance. Keep your lawn well maintained, mow it regularly, and ensure it's free from weeds and debris. Plant colorful flowers and shrubs for added visual appeal. Clean exterior. Pressure wash your home's exterior, including siding, brick, and sidewalks. This can make a remarkable difference in the appearance of your property. Paint and siding. If your home's paint or siding is peeling or faded, consider repainting or replacing it. Choose a color that complements the overall style of your property. Front door focus. The front door is a focal point. Make it stand out by painting it a bold, contrasting color or installing an attractive door with decorative hardware. Windows. Clean your windows and replace any broken or outdated window frames. Outdoor lighting. Install outdoor lighting fixtures to illuminate the entryway and walkways. Mailbox makeover. A stylish mailbox can add character to your property. Choose one that matches your home's architecture or paint your existing one to freshen it up. Porch or patio. If you have a porch or patio, furnish it with comfortable seating and decorative accessories. A well-decorated outdoor space can make your home more inviting. Gutter cleaning. Keep your gutters clean and in good repair. Fence and gate. Repair or replace any damaged fencing or gates. A well-kept fence can add to your property's privacy and aesthetic appeal. Bonus tips. Roof maintenance. Ensure your roof is in good condition. Remove clutter. Declutter your yard and remove any items that are not contributing positively to the overall look. This includes old furniture, broken pots, and excessive ornaments. Remember that the key to maximizing curb appeal is consistency and attention to detail.